Dear student, in this video, I am explaining the solution of question 2nd of exercise 3.3. Solve 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24 and hence find the value of m for which y is equal to mx plus c. In this question, we are given two equations 2x plus 3y equal to 11 and 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Firstly, we find the values of x and y from these two given equations. After that, we substitute the value of x and y in given equation y is equal to mx plus c for finding the value of m. This is our first equation. Take this as second equation. From first equation, we find the value of x. So, taking x in left side, all values shifted to the right side by changing their sign. So, 11 minus 3y upon 3y upon 2. This is value of x in terms of y. Now, substitute this value in the equation number second. Second equation is 2x minus 4y equal to minus 24. Substitute x equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2 in second equation. Now 2x is 11 minus 3y upon 2 minus 4y equal to minus 24. 2 cancels each other. 11 minus 3y minus 4y equal to minus 24. 11 minus 7y equal to minus 24 because both are like terms. So minus 4 minus 3 become minus 7y. Now 11 minus 7y equal to minus 24. So minus 7y is equal to minus 24 minus 11. Minus 7y equal to minus 35. Y is equal to minus 35 upon minus 7. Minus cancel each other. 7 5 are 35. So value of y is equal to 5. Now substitute this value of y in x. X is equal to 11 minus 3y upon 2. Now substitute value of y. 11 minus 3, y is 5. 5 3 are 15. So 11 minus 15 upon 2. That is minus 4 by 2. 2 2 are 4. So x is equal to minus 2 and y is equal to 5. To find the value of m, we substitute the values of x and y in equation y is equal to mx plus 3. Now this is our equation y is equal to mx plus 3 and value of x is minus 2, y is 5. Substitute this. Y is 5. So write down here 5. X value of x is minus 2 plus 3. Now 5 is equal to minus 2m plus 3. Now 5 plus 3 goes to left side, changing their sign. 5 minus 3 minus 2m. 5 minus 3 2 minus 2m. So m is 2 upon minus 2, that is minus 1. M is equal to minus 1. Now question number third. The difference between two numbers is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Find them. Let us start the solution of this question. Let the numbers x and y. So let x is greater than y. According to question, we are given that a difference between two numbers. Difference means minus. X minus y is equal to 26. We are given difference between two numbers is 26. So x minus y is equal to 26. And another, and one number is 3 times the other. One number, of course, larger number. Here larger number is x. X is also given 3 times the other number. Other number is here 5. So x is equal to 3y. Now we have two equations. Solve these equations for finding the value of x and y. Take this is first equation, take this is second equation. Now substitute the value of x, which is already written in terms of y, in first equation. Substitute the value of x in first equation. X minus y equal to 26. X is 3y. We write the 3y minus nothing is, there is a 1. 3y minus 1, 2y equal to 26. So y is equal to 26 by 2. So value of y is 13. Now substitute this value in second equation. Substitute value of y in equation second. Second equation is x equal to 3y. So x is equal to 3, y is 13. So x is equal to 39. We have to find the two numbers. These numbers are x is equal to 39 and y is equal to 13. For checking your answer, firstly make their difference. 39 minus 13. Our answer is 26. We are also given the number 26. And the second condition is one number is 3 times other. One number is 39. If we multiply 3 by 13, 13 is 39. So x is 3 times y. Now question number second. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds by smaller by 18 degree and find them. Firstly, let the angles x and y, x is greater than y. Now in this question we are given the larger of two supplementary. First is supplementary. Supplementary angles are those angles whose sum is 180. So these are two angles. According to question, we are given that these are two angles. So x plus y should be 180 because we are given supplementary. Now first condition is over. Second, we are given that the larger of two angle means bigger angle is exceeds by smaller by 18 degree. So here bigger is, larger is x. X is greater than by y by 18 degree. So add 18 to second angle means y, then these are equal. Second condition is x is equal to y plus 18. Now similarly take this is first equation, take this is second equation. Now substitute the, already we have x in terms of y. So we substitute the value of x in this equation means first equation. Substitute value of x. Substitute x in equation first. Equation first is x plus y equal to 180. X is y plus 18. Value of x is y plus 18. Y plus 18, here y equal to 180. Y plus y 2y plus 18 degree equal to 180 degree. 2y equal to 180 minus 18. So 180 minus 18 is 162. So 2y is equal to 162. Then y is equal to 162 upon 2. 8 2 ja 16, 8 1 ja 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. So our value is 81. Y is 81. Now from second equation x is equal to y plus 18. So substitute value of y, that is 81 plus 18 degree. So x is 99 degree. Value of x is 99 degree and value of y is 81 degree. Check these values. Adding these 99 plus 81, 180. So both angles are supplementary. Second condition is if we add 18 to 81, that is 99. That is value of x. So our answer is correct. Thank you.